my gosh. I don't want to lose my hair in the world. I really hope this turns out good. I don't even know why I do this to myself. Here's what I'm working with now. Overgrown roots, lots of brass. Looks like a hot mess, but go for it. Prepare for the best and expect the worst. For some reason, all of us crazy girls all want to be platinum blonde, even though it's like so much maintenance and so expensive to get there. So first things first, get into some clothing that you don't care about getting bleached on, and then divide your hair into 4 equal parts. This is like a hairstyle I used to do in elementary school. I always felt like I looked really cool, even though I probably look like a total nerd. Baby is sleeping, so I have about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. That'll give me just enough time to bleach and shampoo, I think. My head is so hot. I'm gonna do a little test. I started in the back, so that is where I'm going to go first. Make sure that the integrity of my hair is still somewhat protected. I really didn't put enough bleach on there though. Looking good. I might have to come back for a part 2 in the world. Oh my gosh. I went back and watched some Brad Mondo because I started getting really nervous about losing my hair after so many bleach fail videos that I've watched. I did not want to become another one of those. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and just take off these foils. It's been about 45 minutes. I don't want to lose my hair. Yeah, okay, there's a lift. It's good. I do lift, it just happens to be really super brassy. I don't like that. Wow, my hair is super hot, but it's nice and strong. Wow, I'm crying, it smells so bad. Just gonna go over my roots. I'll let this sit for maybe 15 minutes. Oh, I'm getting so stressed out. Baby's about to wake up. Here's what I have. So, my hair is still nice and strong. I can see some brassy spots, but it does look pale yellow, which is good. I really hate touching bleach with my fingers. So this is looking awesome. I didn't apply enough on my end, so gosh, super uneven. Just go ahead and rinse it out and do part 2 because the ends are really uneven. Boo. I will link this in my Amazon storefront, but I bought this kind of duo package. It's both the purple and the blue. Going with lukewarm water. Picked up a lot of brass, but there are some that came through really pretty. Also, take off your makeup before you shower because you don't look crazy. All right, little baby bean is awake, so I just comb my hair out with some Olaplex 3, and I'm gonna just let it air dry and give my hair a little bit of a break. And then I do see a lot of brass still coming through, so I'm gonna do another round of bleaching, but not bad. I mean, not good, but it's definitely not bad. Also, y'all, I'm like totally not even close to being a professional hairdresser, so let's just remember that. Seriously. I really hope this turns out good. My hair is almost almost done drying, and it's actually looking a lot lighter than I expected it to, which is good news. But I am gonna go in for a part 2 bleach in about a week just to keep my hair as healthy as I can. Sounds funny because I'm literally destroying my hair right now. But anyways, there's a lot of brass and orangey goldish colors at the bottom of my hair, and then especially at my roots and near the back. So what I'm gonna do is actually just section it a little bit better, do round 2, and then I'm gonna tone. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna protect my hair, keep it healthy, do some masks, and keep you guys posted.